chicken sausage breakfast burritos, Chick-fil-A style. It's what the fork. All right, this is going to be a quick recipe, all right? Half an onion, half a green pepper. Get them chopped up. Saute them. You're going to take one egg with some butter. Scramble it. Make sure the heat is low. So make sure they're nice and fluffy. You don't want to burn your eggs. Burnt scrambled eggs is no good. And if you have these in your area, get the Delia's chicken sausage. Best chicken sausage ever. Guaranteed. All right. Fry them up. Hash brown patties. Toast them. Chop them up. Chop up your chicken sausage patties. And we're going to throw them all in a cast iron pan. Throw your sausage, green pepper, and onions. Get that in there. Throw your hash browns in there. This is what makes it Chick-fil-A style if you've ever been to Chick-fil-A. It's the hash browns in the burrito. Mix it all up. Get that all together. And I'm separating this out because my wife doesn't like eggs and I like eggs. So I'm going to do mine with egg and hers without egg. That's the reason why I'm doing that. All right. I know I'm thoughtful. Thank you. I appreciate it. All right. There's the egg. Get some Colby Jack cheese. Throw it on there. 2 pieces. And I'm going to put some water for some steam so we can melt the cheese. Throw the top on. Come back. Boom. All right, get your pan with a little bit of butter. Throw your tortilla in there. Let it heat up both sides for about a minute. And now you want to throw your mixture and wrap it up like a burrito. Both sides. Fold and roll. Fold and roll. Fold and roll. All right, and there you go. Chick-fil-A style chicken sausage breakfast burrito. Labor Day special. You know what it is. Look at that. Cheesy, gooey, chicken sausage, hash browns. Can't go wrong. It's what the fork, man.